So another young bird to show you. This here is a single reared young bird, and this is quite a special young bird and a pairing to me. If you've watched any of my videos, you know we lost Hercules in the beginning of the year, and he was a hell of a pigeon. He was a provincial winner against 15,000 pigeons, pure out and out sprint pigeon. So this is from Pioneer Hercules, who was a son of Hercules when paired back to the 100 hen, which was his own mum. When paired to Pioneer Snow Katie. Pioneer Snow Katie is a daughter of Snow Prince when paired to second National Flying Club 2019 Tarbs Dark Katie. So here you've got a young bird that is grandson of a 15,000 provincial out and out sprint pigeon when paired to its own mother, and you've got also a grandchild of Snow Prince, which makes him a half sibling of him, and also a grandchild of Dark Katie. So you've got a pretty interesting mix, out and out sprint with out and out Tarbs pigeons. This pigeon here will be going to Dubai, and we will see what he or she does. Probably a hen, but yeah, this will be going to Dubai, and hopefully we've got the endurance of the Tarbs, Snow Prince and Dark Katie pigeons with a bit of speed from the Hercules lines. We'll see. Catch you soon.